Here I have bananas, and it looks like no one wants to eat them. Instead of leaving them out for the gnats or throwing them away, I'll show you how to make 3 facial masks in less than 15 minutes with products that you most likely already have at home. To read the step-by-step guide, just click the link in the description box. Banana fades dark spots and blemishes. It smooths out rough skin. It has vitamin A, B, and C. Vitamin A fades the dark spots and blemishes, and it smooths out rough skin. Vitamin B prevents aging. It reduces dryness. It moisturizes. Vitamin E prevent and reduces appearance of wrinkles. The potassium get rid of the dry skin by moisturizing and hydrating cells. By combining bananas with other rich nutrient ingredients, it can make a face mask that's good for multiple purposes. This first mask, I'm only adding honey and lemon. 1 banana, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of honey. This one is really good for lightening the skin. Honey has skin lightening properties. It kills bacteria, prevents acne and pimples, and moisturizes the skin without making it oily. Lemon juice is loaded with citric acid, which gently lightens dark skin and evens out discoloration. It's good for dark spot and acne blemishes. So this is the perfect mask for hydration, brightening, and lightening the skin. All you'll do is mix it really well to get out the lumps. You'll wash your face with gentle soap. Pat your face dry. Make sure your hands are clean when you massage the mask on your face. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash with warm water and you'll have glowing, radiant skin. To lighten your skin or to remove dark spots, use this mask every other day or every 3 days, or it's your discretion. Store the leftovers in the refrigerator. Really quick, let me tell you about banana peels. Banana peels can be used for so many different things, but one thing you can do is cut the banana into pieces, put it into the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes, apply the peel below your eyes for 20 minutes, and this will help with puffiness and swelling. This next mask is really good for fighting pimples. The ingredients in this mask will break down the dirt and grime and excess oil, which clogs up pores and causes pimples. So this mask really will deep cleanse your pores. Also, it has antibacterial properties that destroy the bacteria before they can cause pimples. What you'll need is a half a teaspoon of turmeric, there it is, turmeric powder, and also a half of teaspoon of baking soda. I'm also adding a few drops of water so that it won't be too thick. This mask, it may burn your skin just a little bit when you put it on, but don't be alarmed, it's fine. You can use this every other day or 3 times per week, and it can be stored in the refrigerator. After applying, you will wash it off with warm water. You can also use ice cubes wrapped in a towel to massage your skin and close your pores and prevent dirt and pollution from coming back in. Last, this mask will be really great for removing or reducing wrinkles. You'll need 1 teaspoon of orange juice. Orange juice is rich in vitamin C. It refreshes your skin cells and softens harsh lines and wrinkles. Also, 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt. Yogurt reduces the appearance of large pores and it tightens pores. Next ingredient is optional. Use this ingredient so that you don't have to moisturize your face after. Putting this in will add moisture already in the mask, and it is a half a teaspoon of olive oil. When applying mask, always start with a clean, dry face. Massage on your face for 60 seconds, then reapply a thick coat and lay down for 15 minutes. Then wash face with cold water to keep pores tight. Moisturize face after, or like I said, just put in the olive oil and you don't have to worry with moisturizing your face after. If the mask gets tight, gently massage while washing out. And there you have it. These masks were quick and easy to make. One for blemishes, one for pimples, and one for wrinkles. Just stir really well to get the lumps out and enjoy youthful, glowing skin.